Alright, so here is a couple of old Carrier Tech2000 air conditioners. These things are old. I think this might be a silencer system, but I can't read that anymore. Looks like they've been running. Now it's got a Copeland. I don't think it's a heat pump. There's not many heat pumps around here in California. Yeah, this one's an old one, you can tell by that grill design. 1991. It's a 4-ton, this one. And here's a small one. Really small one. It's another Tech. This one, it's hard to tell. I think it has another Copeland recip. 1991, 2.5 ton. Small 2.5 ton. And they're both on. After all these years, I last came here in 2014, and they're still both here. I'm really happy about that. No one hasn't been running. This one has, I think, though. I think this one has. I don't think I'll be able to get a startup, though. I don't know. I can't tell. I think it has been running. I actually hopped the wall over to get over here because I really wanted to see the data on these. It's kind of hacked up right there. Both have sight glasses and filter dryers. And there's a gate here, but it's locked, so ain't getting in the easy way. So, anyways, thanks for watching.